In this video, I'll show you how to send documents on WhatsApp. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Before you send a document on WhatsApp, you should have a document, right? So click on this. Right here you can see the document option, right? Click on the document. Once you have clicked on it, to be displayed with the whole document you have here on your WhatsApp, right? So these are some document I have right here. So I can just click on this, right? Click on the open. Wait for it to load up. So this is it. I'm gonna click on this. So this is it. I'll wait for it to load. Exactly, I just sent this document. So this is how you can send documents here on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.